My dear students, some of the exercise question that have not been discussed during our discussion, so that is what I am going to discuss with you. The first exercise question is, with what neutral molecule is ClO minus isoelectronic? Is that molecule Lewis base? So ClO minus is isoelectronic to ClF because both the species contain 26 electrons. The electron present in ClO minus are 17 in Cl, 18 oxygen and 1 for the negative charge, total 26, whereas in ClF 17 in Cl and 9 in fluorine, that also gives us the 26. So ClF acts as like a Lewis base at its accept electron from fluorine to form ClF3, ClF plus F2, that gives ClF3. Even OF2 is another molecule that has same number of electron as compared to ClO minus, and OF2 is also Lewis base. How are xenon fluorides XeF2, XeF4 and XeF6 obtained? Xenon fluorides are produced when the mixture of xenon and fluorine are heated in nickel vessel at 300 degrees centigrade to 600 degrees centigrade or 573 to 873 Kelvin. The product formed depends upon the ratio of xenon and fluorine which are mixed here. So you can easily understand that xenon and fluorine, if the mixture has got 2:1 mixture and the temperature is 673 Kelvin and pressure is 1 bar, we get XeF2. If the mixture of xenon and fluorine is 1:5 mixture and the temperature is 873 Kelvin and 7 bar pressure, we get XeF4. But if the mixture of xenon and fluorine is 1:20 mixture and then the temperature is maintained at 573 Kelvin and 60 to 70 bar pressure, then we get xenon hexafluoride XeF6. If xenon and fluorine mixture is 2:1 ratio at 673 Kelvin and 1 bar pressure, that is 400 degrees centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure, we get xenon difluoride XeF2. If the mixture is 1:5 ratio at 873 Kelvin or 600 degrees centigrade temperature and 7 bar or 7 atmospheric pressure, we get xenon tetrafluoride XeF4. And mixture, if the mixture is in the 1:20 ratio and the temperature is 573 Kelvin or 300 degrees centigrade temperature and pressure is maintained between 60 to 70 bar or 60 atmospheric pressure, we get xenon hexafluoride XeF6. My dear students, which of the following does not exist? XeOF4, NeF2, XeF2 or XeF6? So the answer is NeF2b does not exist because no true compounds of argon, neon or helium are known yet. And then, my dear students, we have the next question to study about. How are XeO3 and XeO4 prepared? So XeO3 is prepared by the hydrolysis of XeF4. XeF4, 6XeF4 reacts with 12H2O, that gives 4Xe plus 2XeO3 plus 24HF plus 3O2. It can also be prepared by the complete hydrolysis of XeF6. XeF6 plus 3H2O, that gives XeO3 plus 6HF. XeF4 is prepared by the partial hydrolysis of XeF6. So XeF6 reacts with H2O, it gives XeOF4 and 2HF. And then we have the next question. Give the formula and describe the structure of noble gas species which is isostructural with ICl4 minus, IBr2 minus and BrO3 minus. So here we have the halogen gas ion, then we have the noble gas species which is isostructural with this halogen gas ion, and then we have explained the structure. So ICl4 is a isostructural with XeF4 with 2 lone pair and 4 bond pair. They form the square planar structures with the hybridization sp3d2. IBr minus is isostructural with XeF2 with 3 lone pair and 2 bond pair. They form linear structure with the hybridization sp3d. And BrO3 is isostructural with XeO3 with 3 pi bond, 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair. They form the pyramidal structure with the hybridization sp3. I hope, my dear students, you are enjoying your studies. Happy learning.